Hi everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I'm going to show in this video how to fix this page isn't available right now on your Facebook. So before going to start the video, if you're not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you're seeing this page isn't available right now on your Facebook, then I'll show you how to fix this issue. Guys, first of all, you have to check whether your Facebook app is up to date or not. If it is not up to date, then update your Facebook app from the Play Store. Just open the Play Store, then type here Facebook. If it is not up to date, then update it from here. Then check whether your issue has been resolved or not. Still you're facing the issue, then what you have to do? You have to just long press on your Facebook app. Just tap on app info. Once tap on force stop, tap on OK. Tap on storage and cache. Once tap on clear cache. If you know your Facebook user ID and password, then you can tap on clear storage. After that, your Facebook ID will be signed out. Then again you have to sign in your Facebook ID. After that, then go back. Then check. Hope after doing this issue may be resolved. After doing this, still you're facing the issue, then you have to wait for some time because this may be any bug issue with the Facebook server. So after waiting for at least 2 to 3 hours, the issue may be resolved automatically. That's it guys. So this way you can fix this page isn't available right now on your Facebook. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.